In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ice maker emitter flipper in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new ice maker emitter flipper, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. To remove the ice bin, open the ice bucket cover by pressing the locking tab up, then insert your fingers into the opening, pull the latch towards you, and lift up. This is how the latch works to release the ice bin. If the bucket is frozen in place, you may need to thaw before removing. Now, using a small flat blade screwdriver bit, carefully insert it between the cover and door and pry to release. Be careful as it's still connected by wires. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Now, using a flat blade screwdriver, pry the retaining clip off the hinge pin. Then, slide out the pin. Now, remove the emitter flipper. When shopping for a new emitter flipper, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. Then, align the flipper. Reinstall the pin by aligning and pushing it in. Then, reinstall the retaining clip, making sure the retaining tabs are facing the bottom of the pin. To reinstall the cover, start by reconnecting the electrical connector. Then, insert the locking tabs at an angle and firmly press back in place. To install the ice bin, align the bin in the opening and set in place. It will make an audible click when locked back in place. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.